You definitely want to insure that asset. Now, we would have like an auction kit with us with some tools. We'd have a drill, we'd have a saw, we'd have a drone as well sometimes, if we couldn't see inside places. Now, the thing is with these tax deed properties, a lot of the time you can't see inside them, right? They could be, if there's someone living in it, clearly you can't see inside it, but it could be boarded up. Now, if it is vacant, then you can go look, well, I'm not suggesting this, not that I've done this, wink, wink, but if it's vacant, people have been known to peer into the window and sometimes even go inside. Once again, use your own discretion. Hypothetically speaking, of people. But a lot of the times, if you can see in it, do that, right? Because you want to figure out what your budget is when you're buying the property. Because remember, you're going to make your money going into this property and you want to have a solid action plan going into it. And one of the best ways to do that, I always tell you about my book, The ABCs of Tax Lien and Deed Investing. This thing will show you start to finish exactly how to do this business. You can take your notes. You can ask the right questions. It'll show you step by step. It's a quick read. And it is actually a full mini course, Tax Lien and Deed 101. It's totally free. Like for years, I sold this thing. It was the best selling thing out there. Now I just give it away for free. And click the more info in the description. And if you want, you can even book a private session with us and we will go ahead and build you a custom plan to save you 3 to 5 years of trial and error in this business. That's key. So that's in the description below. So most of you guys watching are probably new. Maybe you haven't even been to a deed sale. So the learning curve, it takes a little while to learn this business. And there's a lot of nuances in tax deed investing because a lot of people haven't heard of it. And I've mentioned before, the reason you haven't heard of this business is because there's no room for like a middle business to take its cut. Like, for example, in the traditional real estate market, you have like insurance companies, you have mortgage brokers, you have realtors, you have multi-billion-dollar businesses that are built around servicing, like taking a cut in between. Whereas with tax liens and deeds, the county doesn't allow anybody to come in. So there's no billion-dollar industry around it to make it mainstream.